What's going on, builders? Welcome to Coffee and Sawdust. I am Mike. Thank you for stopping in to watch this video. Today's video, I will be talking about selling on eBay, or at least my experience. Today's item, the example I'm going to use is this bird feeder swing right here. And the reason why I listed it on eBay, in that build video, I said that I do most of my selling on Facebook Marketplace, but there is a slow time on Facebook Marketplace. Excuse me. And I could sell everything I build and make good money, and then there's months where I don't sell anything. So on these smaller items, I decided, I'm going to try different e-commerce platforms, eBay, Etsy, etc. And today I'm going to talk about eBay. So I'm going to talk about my eBay selling experience for this bird feeder swing. I listed it on eBay for $25. Now, I'm going to go over what the customer pays and then what I make off of that $25 item. The customer pays $33.60. $25 for the swing. Shipping. The customer pays for shipping. You do have an option for free shipping. It's a small item. It's light. I figured the customer can pay that because pretty much any platform you buy on, unless it's a really expensive item, you will pay for the shipping. So the customer, again, pays $6.26. The customer also pays the sales tax. So grand total, $25 bird swing, the customer pays $33.60. Now, what do I make? I listed that item for $25. eBay's transaction fee was $4.85. So I made $20.15 off of this item. Now, I only have maybe $1.50, $2 in material. So now I'm at $18 I made off of a $25 item. I needed a box for this item to fit in. I found them at Lowe's. They were $1 something at Lowe's. So now I am at $17.15. I also needed bubble wrap. I bought a huge thing of bubble wrap for $25. I only used a small piece, so I'm guessing I probably used $1.50 to $2 in bubble wrap. So now I am at $16. So for a $25 item I listed on eBay, I made $16 roughly and 15 cents. Is that worth it? To get my name out there, yes. But if I'm not having to pay for shipping and boxing and materials, that $25 item, I can go to a craft show, I can go to a flea market, and I can sell it between $25 and $30. I can let the customer talk me down to $25, and I just made $25 on a $25 item. So I leave it up to you. eBay, a $25 item, I only made $16. $4.85 went to eBay for the transaction fee, and the other $6, I think, if my math is right, $5 went to materials, boxing, bubble wrap, tape, etc. So, am I going to continue to sell on eBay? Yes, I've got a few of those listed on eBay. I'm going to go ahead, because I got boxes, I've got bubble wrap. I'm going to go ahead, sell them, ship them out when people buy them. I think what I'm going to do is my higher price items, my jewelry boxes, the other items that I sell that are more expensive, I think it will be worth it. But if you're selling smaller items, I don't think it will be. And if you offer free shipping, then you're just cutting yourself out of another $6, $10, whatever it costs to ship it to wherever they buy it from. So, I guess that's it. I'm happy that I'm selling on eBay, but I'm just not happy with the profit I make on eBay when you add everything up. Anyways, guys, that's my video. I didn't want to be too long. I just wanted to go over my experience with the eBay, with selling your woodworking items on eBay. Again, I'm still in profit. I'm just not happy with the profit I am making. On to the next video, guys. Keep building.